Welcome to Planet Newsroom, your source for the stories shaping global politics and democracy. Tonight's headline: the Trump administration scores a legal victory as a federal appeals court clears the way for National Guard deployment in Portland, a move reigniting debate over presidential power and state sovereignty. A major decision from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has handed President Donald Trump a significant win. The court ruled that the administration can move forward with deploying National Guard troops in Portland, overturning one of two lower court blocks that had restricted the move. However, with a second restraining order still in effect, the troops remain grounded for now. The legal tug-of-war continues as the White House pushes to dissolve the remaining injunction. Two Trump-appointed judges sided with the administration, arguing the president has lawful authority to act during periods of unrest. But Judge Susan P. Graber, appointed by Bill Clinton, issued a sharp dissent, calling the ruling absurd and warning it erodes both state control and citizens' right to protest. The White House praised the ruling, saying Trump is acting within his constitutional powers to protect federal property amid what it describes as violent riots. Oregon officials, however, see the move as federal overreach. Attorney General Dan Rayfield condemned the ruling as a dangerous path for America and vowed to seek an en banc review to overturn it. Governor Tina Kotek also criticized the court's decision, saying National Guard troops have been held in limbo for weeks, far from their homes and families without clarity on where or how they'll be used. Meanwhile, protests have reignited in Portland, Chicago, Memphis, and San Francisco as Trump expands his push to deploy troops to cities he claims are unsafe and crime-ridden. Critics call it an authoritarian tactic that undermines states' rights. Legal experts note the president's growing reliance on the Insurrection Act, a rarely used law that allows military involvement in domestic affairs. Some senators have demanded an inquiry, calling these deployments unconstitutional and dangerous for civil rights. As America's cities brace for potential troop deployments, one thing is clear: the battle over who controls the streets is far from over. This is Planet Newsroom, bringing you the stories that define our world. Stay informed, stay aware.